Hello artists, and welcome to my drawing and painting channel for toddlers, preschoolers, and kindergarten. In this art lesson, we will be drawing and painting a big lion face. Let's begin by getting our paint ready. Today we will use orange, yellow, a little bit of black, brown, and red. Now let's get our art supplies ready. Today we will use a cereal bowl turned upside down, a pencil, a medium-sized paintbrush, an earbud, a sewing thimble, and a little pom-pom. All right, let's begin by placing our cereal bowl in the center of our paper, and we will trace a line all around the edge of it. Now let's begin to paint. We will begin with the orange paint. This circle will be our lion's face. Carefully paint the entire circle bright orange. Take your time and make neat lines along the edge. Did you know that most lions live on the continent of Africa, with only a few lions living elsewhere in the country of India? Lions live in very dry areas called deserts. Of all the kinds of cats on Earth, lions are the only cats that live in groups. As boy lions get older, they grow long hair around their neck called a mane. Lions also have long hair at the end of their tails. This hair is called a tuft. Since lions have very good eyesight in the dark, they find most of their food at night. We are just about finished painting our big orange circle. Then we'll move on to painting the lion's yellow mane. Our circle looks very good. It's big and orange. Now let's wash our brush. We'll give our brush a good splishity splash in the water jar. Now we'll use the yellow paint. Pick up a little bit of yellow paint with your clean paintbrush, and then we'll paint big strokes all around the orange circle. These yellow brush strokes will create the lion's fuzzy mane. The mane is the long hair all around the lion's head. Our lion's mane is looking very nice. Let's just add a few more brush strokes to make his mane nice and fuzzy. And now let's clean our paintbrush in the water jar. Next, we'll use the earbud and the black paint. Let's dip the earbud in the black paint, and then we'll stamp 2 eyes onto our lion's face. Don't forget to add the other eye. Now we'll use the brown paint. Use your paintbrush to spread your brown paint out on your mixing surface. This will make it easier to dip your sewing thimble into the brown paint. Tap the open end of the thimble into the brown paint. When you have enough paint on your thimble, stamp it onto the lion's mane. We will need to make lots and lots of brown circles with our sewing thimble. Let's cover the entire yellow area with brown circles. We've made lots and lots of brown circles, but we still need more. Keep dipping the thimble in the brown paint and make more circles. You can overlap some of the circles if you like. If you're enjoying this art lesson, please give this video a like. Wow, our lion's mane looks very nice. It has lots of texture. Once you're finished making circles, soak your thimble in the water jar. Next, we'll use our paintbrush and a little bit of brown paint to create the lion's nose. To create the nose, just make some paint strokes in the middle of the lion's face. Okie dokie, now let's clean our paintbrush in the water jar. I think our lion could use some nice rosy cheeks. Let's use our little pom-pom and some red paint to create 2 fuzzy cheeks. Now let's use our paintbrush and a little bit of black paint to create the end of our lion's nose. Now let's give our lion a little mouth. This painting looks very good. Great job on painting a lion with me today. Well, that's the end of our painting lesson, but be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. And be sure to give this video a like if you had lots of fun today. See you soon!